Okay, children, another question for you. Why we need to purchase these vegetables, cereals and pulses from other states? Do you have any idea? Why? Because if we can cultivate here in Kerala itself, why we need to purchase? You will get the answer when you go through this lesson. Okay. So next we are going to study about the comparison. We are going to have a comparison study with Kerala and Tamil Nadu. From this comparison, you have to find out which state is more suitable for agriculture. For that, we can have a look in the textbook. Please have a look. Okay. For that comparison, first we can compare the soil types, major soil types in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The soils in Kerala are alluvial soil, laterite soil, forest soil and red soil. And in Tamil Nadu, the major soil types are red soil, black soil, laterite soil and coastal alluvial. So now we can study about the features of each soil. First of all, alluvial soil. This is the picture of, this is a alluvial soil. Okay. Alluvial soils are soils deposited by surface water. You will find them along rivers in floodplains and deltas. They are rich in potassium and highly suitable for agriculture. Next soil is laterite soil. This is the picture of laterite soil. This is in reddish color because of the presence of iron oxide. Laterite is a soil and rock type rich in iron and aluminum and is commonly considered to have formed in hot and wet tropical areas. Nearly all laterites are of rusty red coloration. Here you can see a red color. This is because of high iron oxide content. Then next soil is forest soil. This is forest soil. Forest soil forms where it is not too hot and not too cold. Soils that formed under deciduous forest are very fertile and productive. Agricultural land because of decomposing leaves at the soil surface. Then next soil we have to see is red soil. This is red soil. Red soil is a type of soil that develops in a warm, temperate, moist climate under deciduous or mixed forest, having thin organic and organic mineral layers overlying a yellowish brown leach layer resting on an alluvium red layer. Next soil is coastal alluvium. Because all the soils are same as that of Kerala with Tamil Nadu. Exceptional soils are black soil and coastal alluvium. So first of all we can study about black soil. You can see black in color itself. Black soils are mineral soils. This is a black soil picture. Black soils are mineral soils which have a black surface horizon enriched with organic carbon that is at least 25 cm deep. The next soil we have to come across is coastal alluvium. Coastal alluvium. It is the alluvial still present along the coast of India. It is made by the work of sea waves, so it is of tidal origin. This soil is seen in coastal areas. So now we have come across with the features of all soils. From this, can you tell me which state is more suitable according to the soil types? Yes, it is Kerala because of the presence of alluvial soil. Next, we are going to study about the features based on the availability of water. Here you can see the annual rainfall in Kerala is 300 centimeter. When you look into Tamil Nadu, the annual rainfall is 95.9 centimeter. So it is triple times more rainfall in Kerala is more than that of Tamil Nadu. And in case of river, there are 44 rivers in Kerala, but in Tamil Nadu only 14 rivers. And as the rainfall is sufficient in Kerala, irrigation is not necessary in most of the places. But in case of Tamil Nadu, as rainfall is scanty means less, irrigation is essential. So, from these features, can you tell me which state is more suitable for agriculture? Can you tell me? Yes, it is. Kerala is most suitable. Compared to Tamil Nadu, Kerala is more suitable for agriculture. And the Kerala lands are not only facilitated for the cultivation of coconut, paddy fields and also tapioca and Elfania, but also it is suitable for the cultivation of spice crops like pepper, cardamom, etc. Next, we are going to study about the physiographic diversity of Kerala. In the 5th standard, you have studied about the physiographical classification of Kerala. Can you tell me what are the 3 types of physiographic classification of Kerala? Anyone? Yes, it is highland, lowland and midland. Okay, we can have a look of the physiographic map of Kerala. Please have a look. Okay, this is a map that shows the physiographical classification of Kerala. This brown color shows the regions belongs to highland. Then this green color represents midland and this yellow color represents lowland. So this is the physiographical classification of Kerala. Next, can you identify from this picture which type of cultivation is seen in this picture? This picture, on the right side, can you recognize what kind of cultivation is here? Yes, it is tea, the plantation of tea. Then here in this picture, this first picture, can you recognize what is this? It is the cultivation of cardamom. Can you please tell me where does this cultivation happens? Do you know in which region? Whether it is in highland or midland or lowland. Where is this cultivation of cardamom and tea? Do you know? It is in highland. Do you know what is the specialty or the feature of highland? You know, if you go to Wayanad or if you go to Idukki, Munnar, What kind of climate you feel compared to Ernakulam? Yes, you will feel mist, you will feel cold, there is mist, Cardamom will be there, then rain also will be there. So why do you feel this difference comparing to Ernakulam? Because it is on top, it is above the sea level. So the climate of rain, mist and cold will prevail in the regions of eastern highlands, and these parts are the part of Sahyadri mountain ranges. So, and the crops that grow here are mainly tea, cardamom and all kinds of spices like pepper. Everything will grow here. Do you know what are the geographical features that help in the growth of these crops? Do you know? First of all, the temperature is below 30 degree centigrade. That's the first feature. Second feature, abundant rainfall. Then the third one is well-drained soil. So these features help the growth of the spices and crops like cardamom, pepper, ginger, turmeric, everything. Do you know, in the second lesson we have studied that what commodities attract foreign traders to India? Do you know? These Indian spices, and these Indian spices are grown in this highland. Now, because of the climate change and because of the use of the land, there is a less or there is a decrease in the production of these commodities. So, I hope you have understood my class. I am winding up my class, and I hope you have understood my class. So, we will see next week. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.